student of Athena Magdalena. I'm going to be 11 years old this month on August 22nd, 2025. Today, I'm honored to share with you the story of my favorite hero, a man who played a vital role in shaping our nation, Insinyur Soekarno, the first president of Indonesia. Soekarno was born in 1901 during a time when Indonesia was under colonial rule. At that time, many Indonesians lived in poverty. Families struggled to afford necessities like food, shelter, and education. Children often could not go to school because their parents had no money. Soekarno witnessed this hardship firsthand, and it deeply inspired him to fight for the freedom and welfare of his people. He believed that independence was the key to ending poverty and inequality. Soekarno once said, "Freedom is the right of all nations." He understood that without freedom, the people would remain trapped in poverty, unable to improve their life. Soekarno was not only a great speaker, but also a visionary leader. He united the people, inspiring them to believe in a future where all Indonesians. What inspired me most about Soekarno is his dedication to the people. Despite many challenges, he never gave up on his dream of a free and prosperous Indonesia. He showed us that true